Are you making the most of our awesome spring weather? Let Super Value help you. This week we have eats like roast and ribs on sale. You might be inspired to have a party too, minus the pub of course. Chicken nuggets in the oven for under $7 instead to keep the home crowd happy. Grapes and broccoli for spring salads are on sale too. And you know those nights you just don't want to order pizza and wait an hour? Pop in a McCain Rising Crust instead. Faster and way cheaper, $5 or less, and all these other great essentials too. Our meat department's been busy perfectly cutting and wrapping all these great items. Check out these great prices on steak, chicken breast, lamb, sausage, or how about no-name cooked ham to Maple Leaf Proteiny snacks? They're perfect for quick wraps and salads. We also have the best in PC, Blue Menu, and No Name Club Pack all on sale. Fresh oranges only 99 cents a pound, or cauliflower for just $2.49. We have great recipes to use cauliflower to reduce carbs in our blog right now. Don't forget to check that out and stock up on cauliflower. 2 packs of a romaine lettuce, just $5. Mangoes from Mexico to sweeten up the day too. Take zucchini, mushrooms, green onion, mini carrots, cucumbers, snap peas, grape tomatoes, and make a lasagna or a great stir fry. Or at these prices, you might as well make both. Renee dressing's also on sale, only $2.99. If you ever need a meat and cheese platter made to go, our deli department can do that for you. Or stop by and grab all these on sale right now for the office, weekend party, or just for dinner. Platter up. 5-layer dip is also on sale along with chicken and turkey strips too. Country Harvest bread just $2.99 to Farmer's Market pie and seafood too. Fire up the barbecue. Fresh salmon is here and it's on sale. Mexican Fiesta is back, and that means it's time to party with great deals like these. Everything from lean ground beef to a package of 10 large tortillas, just $2.99. And of course, you need shredded cheese, sour cream, even ready to heat and eat treats like these, starting at just 99 cents. Old El Paso products, all of these are all on sale. And this week, try PC hot sauce, just 99 cents, or PC kettle cooked tortilla chips for just $3.49. And you know PC products are always coming out with great flavors. Juice Anyone for just $3.49. No Name margarine and pastas also on sale this week too. McCain products on sale this week include deep and delicious pies and cakes and French fries. Fish and chips to ice cream to lemonade and even bagel bites, desserts, flavored milk too. If you love Astro products, these are all on sale in our dairy department right now. We have a full page of no-name products on sale, making saving super simple. Spring cleaning time. It is here, and yes, we sell household items at great prices too. Paper products, laundry detergent, bathroom cleaners, garbage bags, air fresheners, even Swiffer products, so you can get it all done and enjoy the spring. Don't forget, we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can get your shopping done anytime you want. We have free parking too, and so much more on the corner of First Avenue and Commercial Drive.